Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Schlegel's Bagels. Today we're going to be making brownies, but with a secret ingredient. What you're going to need is a greased pan, a large bowl, 1/4 cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, and my secret ingredient, Ghirardelli's dark chocolate brownie mix. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Second, you want to grab some cooking spray, spray it inside of the pan to allow the maximum slipperiness of the brownies once they come out of the oven. Then, you're going to want to start preparing the ingredients. First, you're going to want to crack an egg inside the bowl. After you've beaten the eggs, you're going to want to add the vegetable oil and the water to the beaten egg mixture. Then you're going to want to mix that very thoroughly. Then you're going to want to open the package of Ghirardelli chocolate. I do it with a knife because it's much safer that way. Then you add it to the mixture. You can really see this is a gourmet meal. And mix it all up until it's nice and gooey. Then you're going to want to pour the mix directly into the pan from the bowl. Let it sit for a bit so it has time to settle around. You're going to want to pop this baby in the oven for about 24 minutes. Once your brownies are done, take them out of the oven and stick a skewer in them. If it comes out clean, that means they're dry. This isn't clean, but I don't care. So, that's that. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you want me to make next. See you next time on Schlegel's Bagels.